Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Azure Data Factory orchestration guides, detailed guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the official Azure portal at portal.azure.com. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the Create an Azure Account link. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top of the page to search for Data Factory. Select Data Factories from the results to open the Data Factory dashboard. Choose the Data Factory instance you want to work with. On the Data Factory overview page, locate the Author and Monitor button and click it. This will take you to the Data Factory interface. From the left-hand menu, find and click on Author. Under the Pipeline section, look for existing orchestration guides or create a new pipeline. To create a new pipeline, click on the plus button and select Pipeline. In the pipeline canvas, you can add activities and configure their. Click on Monitor to open the monitoring dashboard. In the monitoring dashboard, find the Alerts option. Create a new alert to receive notifications about orchestration guide changes. Select your desired criteria for the alert, such as activity failure or completion. Once your criteria is set, configure the action group for the alert. An action group allows you to specify how you would like to be notified, either via email or SMS. After setting up the action group, save your alert configuration. Review your subscription preferences periodically to ensure they fit your requirements. Feel free to return to the Data Factory interface at any time to manage or update your orchestrations as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.